Hello students, we have already discussed about Avogadro's law and also Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes. Now in this series, today we are continuing with the mole concept. What is mole concept and how we can express it in terms of various parameters. Keep watching. Mole concept can be expressed in terms of mass, volume and also in the number of particles. Okay. What is mole? Mole is just a quantity, just like we say a pair. Pair means two things. And dozen means we have 12 things, and when you say score there are 20 things and so on. So just like it is a parameter of measuring, so that is called mole. Now mole, as we express it in mass, it can be expressed in volume of gas at STP or number of particles also we can. So in this today's lesson we are going to see how to express mole in terms of mass of a substance. Okay, so let's understand the definition mole in terms of mass. Mole is a quantity of substance which is equal to the molecular mass of substance expressed in grams. The molecular mass of substance expressed in grams, that is mole. Okay, right. So molecular mass of each of these substance: calcium chloride, calcium carbonate, calcium atomic weight is 40, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, sodium is 23, chlorine is 35.5, hydrogen is 1, these are atomic weights, okay, and sulfur is 32, nitrogen is 14. So these are the atomic weights available. So calcium carbonate, Ca, how do you calculate the molecular mass? Ca is 40 plus carbon is 12 plus oxygen, 3 oxygens, 3 into 60. Okay, so you add this, you get 100. 100 is the molecular mass of calcium carbonate. Sodium chloride, Na is 23 plus chlorine 35.5. You add that, so 58.5 is the molecular mass of sodium chloride. H2SO4, hydrogen, 2 hydrogens, 2 into 1 plus sulfur is 32 plus oxygen 4 into 16. So this is equal to 98. Okay, molecular mass, you can calculate and check. And ammonia, nitrogen is 14 plus 3 hydrogens, 3 into 1 is equal to 17. So these are the molecular masses of these substances. So number of moles in one molecular weight, that is equal to 1 mole. So 1 mole of calcium carbonate means 100 grams of calcium carbonate. Same way 1 mole of sodium chloride means 58.5 grams of sodium chloride. Sulfuric acid, 1 mole of sulfuric acid is 98 grams. 1 mole of ammonia is 17 grams. Okay, so this is the relationship between mole and molecular mass. So mole can be expressed in terms of mass. So the weight in grams, let us take a certain weight in grams. Example, if you take 50 grams of calcium carbonate, how many moles will be there? 100 grams has 1 mole, so 50 grams will have half of that, 0.5 moles. Okay, are we following? Now same way sodium chloride, 58.5 grams is equal to 1 mole. Suppose I take 5.85 grams is equal to, how many moles are there? You can take it as 5.85 divided by 58.5. The weight in grams given divided by molecular mass is equal to 0.1 mole, right? Same way, this one, if you take 49 grams of sulfuric acid, so 98 is 1 mole, 49. So how much it will be? 49 upon 98 is equal to half of that, 0.5 moles, right? Similarly, ammonia, 17 grams are there. If I take 1.7 grams, so 17 grams is 1 mole, right? So this is 1 mole. Okay, and 1.7 grams will be just 1/10 of that, 0.1 mole. Or 1.7 upon 17 you can divide and find out. So if you know the weight in grams, using the molecular mass, we can find how many moles are there in it. Okay, now let us take a formula. The formula here out of this is number of moles is equal to weight in grams of substance divided by molecular mass of substance. This is the formula. Please keep this formula in mind so that you can solve the problem. Questions are very simple. Calculate the number of moles in 4.5 grams of water. What to do? First, molecular mass. Molecular mass of water. H2O. Water, we know the formula H2O. That is equal to hydrogen, 2 hydrogens, 2 into 1. We know hydrogen atomic weight is given as 1 plus oxygen, 1 oxygen into 16 grams. That's equal to 2 plus 16 is equal to 18. So 18 is the molecular mass of water. So how many moles are there in 4.5 grams of water? So number of moles is equal to, what is it? Weight in grams of substance, that is 4.5 grams given in the question, divided by molecular mass calculated here 18 is equal to how much? 4.5 divided by 18 is equal to 1 upon 4 is equal to 0.25 moles. Okay, so you can calculate this. If you don't understand, just divide and see. Okay, you will get 0.25 or 1 upon 4. So this way you can calculate number of moles. Next question is, calculate the weight in grams of 0.3 moles of carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, first let us take the molecular mass. Carbon is 12, atomic weight is given here 12 plus 16 into 2. CO2 is 2 oxygens are there. It's equal to 12 plus 32. That is equal to 44 is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. So when you do this, follow BODMAS rule, okay? Otherwise you can land up in wrong answers. 44 is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Question says calculate the weight in grams of 0.3 moles of carbon dioxide. Let's write the formula. Number of moles is equal to weight in grams divided by molecular mass. That's equal to, what is the weight in grams? What is asked here? Weight in grams is to be found 3 moles, 0.3 moles of carbon dioxide. That means this side is given 0.3 moles of carbon dioxide. It's equal to weight in grams we have to find divided by molecular mass we just calculated 44. So what is weight in grams? You can cross multiply. Weight in grams is equal to 0.3 into 44. Okay. So how much is it? So it will be 13.2 grams. Okay. Can multiply, 3 4s are 12, another 3 4s are 12, and 1 13 and 1 decimal, 13.2 grams. This is the mass of 0.3 moles of carbon dioxide. The third question, let's see this question. 0.5 moles of a substance has a mass of 31.6 grams. Calculate its molecular mass. Okay, here they are asking to calculate the molecular mass. Let's write the formula. Number of moles is equal to weight in grams divided by molecular weight. So what is molecular weight? Bring it this side. Molecular weight is equal to weight in grams divided by, this will come here, number of moles. Now look at the question. What is going, weight in grams is given as 31.6 divided by number of moles given here is 0.5, 0.5. Okay, so what will be the answer? You can just find out. Divide by 0.5. Okay, so 60, just a minute. Yeah, 63.2 is the molecular mass. Okay, you divided it, you got the answer. So 3 problems we have solved, and I hope you understood what is mole. So you can revise this. Try to solve these questions on your own again, once again. And if you still have problem, you can write in the comment section. I can send you more questions or I can explain to you. Watch the video again and again so that you solve it. Thank you.